Hi, I'm Jinya, and where I first met Lisa from Organizing Mentors, I had seen her material presented at a chamber event, a Loudon Chamber event, and she was really focused on educating people, and you could tell that she had a calm, soothing demeanor, and she would be someone you'd feel welcome having in your home. And as a fellow organizer, someone passionate about that, that piqued my interest. When I went to her website, I found more of her method, and I realized I really did want an opportunity to meet her and talk with her more. We're familiar with organizers that come in with their own system, and they come into your home and you've asked them to organize like your home office, and they come in with their filing system that makes them happy, and it's complicated, and it's something difficult to learn, at least I have found. What appealed to me about Lisa is that she seemed more calm, in a way to come alongside and guide someone. You know that she's a successful person, so it helps me to believe I also can share in that success. But she's willing to come alongside and calmly educate without an artificial system coming in, but to work with how I am. So that's what I like about it.